Bonjour, in a video today I will show you how I transform this antique buffet from sad and lonely into a magnificent and loved buffet. And for the finishing touch, a heart. So this is one of the pieces that we've bought from the sellers, and we have some dishes inside that they left as well for us, so we're going to empty all that. So you can see inside it has various shelves. These little shelves for cups and saucers. I think it's really nice. So it's quite a narrow shelf, and you have some wider ones. So there's some plates we really like. These are old porcelain opaque. I think it's from Sarreguemines, which was a place where they did porcelain in France. So we've got quite a few of them. I really like them. You've got a chateau here as well. That should be in 2 pieces, hopefully, so we can easily transport it into the kitchen. Right, I'm going to do the top now, the top part of the buffet, and I removed that sticky plastic from the shelves, and I'm going to clean the inside. Just water and a sponge. Let's go. So this is the top of the buffet. In France we call that a buffet, it's a dresser. So you have the little small shelves here, narrow shelves, which are good for glasses and cups, for instance. These wider shelves for wider dishes. 2 doors, that's the clip I was showing you before. So that's old, you see, that clips the hole there. And it clips on here. Closed. Kind of a molding all around here is to make it look nice. And in French we call it la corniche. La corniche. And you see the top. That's what also you can even put things. In olden days they used to put their guns here. Le buffet has now been cleaned up, it's been filled, I have my crockery inside and some food at the bottom area. So now I am going to polish it. Before polishing, you need to open the window for air. And what you need is 3 cloths. 1 to dust your piece of furniture, 1 to apply the polish, la cire as we say in France, and 1 to polish to a shine after. So let's start it. So first, the dusting. I'm going to put my glove back on because you need to use gloves as well. And I will show you what I'm going to use as well. So let's put the gloves on. Really tight. This is the product I'm going to use. Antiquaire cire liquide, nourrit et restaure l'éclat. So it's going to feed the wood and gives it a really good shine or sheen. So first of all, dusting. It says here, always read the mode d'emploi, okay, instructions, and it says to shake well. I do. Right, so I'm shaking it well. So a little bit like that to start, and I will show you. So you know at the front, so you can see really well how it looks before and after. So always work in kind of circle, but following the grain of the wood. Smells nice, and we apply, and then we do from left to right and going down. So this is an old piece, so it hasn't had any wax for years, that I am sure. So it will need quite a few times of me reapplying until it gets a really good shine. Now that feeds the wood, your wood looks really good. Protects it. It looks good for longer. It's a bit like your clothes, you need to look after them for them to look really good. So voila. Different corners as well. So can you see the difference? I think you can see there's a net difference. It looks really dry and light. I mean, I'm gonna bring it closer. It has not been polished afterwards. It has only had one coat, but you can see the difference already. The difference is absolutely striking. And they recommend to do that once a week. I will do my best. I don't know how that will pan out. I've got plenty of pieces in wood. I think I will need a whole day to do it once a week. As often as I can. I think it's as good as I can do it. I like to do as well side underneath. But look as well. Look already. Can you see the difference now? So it's like that. And move it again so you can see the difference. It's striking, isn't it? So please let us know in the comments below the video if you do polish your furniture, if you have wooden furniture. That is amazing how just one coat has made a huge difference. So now let's do the other one. So what do you think so far? It has made a huge difference, doesn't it? It's so much better. So it looks really nice. As you can see, I have not polished it with the dry cloth yet, but I will do that, and hopefully you will see, you will notice a slight sheen. So I will remove my gloves for now. So let's have a look if polishing it with the dry cloth brings it to a nice sheen. We're having a lovely sun today, and it's in the middle of winter, it's January. So, okay, so I'm going to do again those two front doors so you can see the difference. So let's start with this one. I don't think there's a big change yet, but I will polish it and we'll see in the end how good it looks. So this is the buffet, all finished. So it has a slight sheen, as you can see. It's very subtle, but it looks 100 times better. So waxing and polishing a wood piece of furniture really brings out the beauty of the wood. You can see all the knots so much better here. Really nice. You can see the grain better, and I think it is breathing a sigh of relief, as if it was thirsty all these years, all forgotten in this empty house for years, and now it's getting a new life and looking splendid. So let's have a look at the inside. So this is what I've done so far. I had to empty my boxes. So I've put some pieces here. These are all antiques. These pieces are here. Some are from my family. Some have been bought. And these are my porcelain de Limoges. I've got one here. I've got a beautiful old one. There, look at this. Inside is pale yellow. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. When my mum used to come over, she used to drink from that cup. Another one here showed you in another video. And we have these three gorgeous ones as well. All porcelain de Limoges. And here we have various food. Got my lentils, lots of pasta at the back. I've got rice, pasta, and lentils here, green lentils. Got the eggs here from my chickens, pasta, flour, sugar, dried apricots over there, some rice. So this is going to be my larder in my home. When I was growing up, my mum used to have a larder like that at the bottom of the buffet. So voila, this beautiful piece of furniture that is getting a new life in their home, in this house. That's where it used to be anywhere before. So now it's staying in, but with second life. If you enjoyed this video, on the screen now is a playlist on the videos about French lifestyle and decor. I will see you in my next video. Au revoir.